there, all you hamsters chasing that sweet financial success. Ever wonder how to spot someone really rich? Truth is, it's not always as obvious as it looks. Sometimes you're admiring the guy in the sharp suit rolling up in a luxury car with a driver, only to find out he works for the dude in shorts and a t-shirt. So how visible should wealth be? And more importantly, does all that flash actually mean anything? Today we're hearing from someone who's earned the right to speak on it. Because, let's just say, he's nowhere near broke. Let's break it all down and see what's really up. Let's roll.
If someone talks over you, they have no interest in listening to what you have to say. That's disrespectful. They care more about what they have to say, which is why they're talking over you. And there's some really interesting research around this, because when it happens, you're kind of like, did they not hear me talking? And you kind of feel a little shut down. Well, here's what we're going to do instead. This comes from research from Harvard Business Review. And what you're going to do if somebody starts talking over you, you're in a meeting, you're talking, all of a sudden, John starts talking over you. First things first, keep talking. And a real power move is slow down. And the second thing that you're going to do, use their name. Mike, I'm going to finish my point. This is an important topic, and I just wanted to make sure that everyone's informed. And I'll be glad to get your feedback, Mike, after I've shared my perspective. But I'd like to make sure you actually hear my perspective first. Boom.
Whoa, did you hear that? That was some real-life wisdom packed into this video. I've gotta say, a lot of what he shared really resonates. Flashing your wealth around might seem impressive at first glance, but deep down, it often reflects a short-sighted mindset. Think about it. Owning yachts, jets, and all that comes with way more than just the price tag, maintenance, staff, endless expenses, it adds up fast. A smart mind would probably find a way to make that money grow instead of watching it disappear. I'll also say this. If you've worked your tail off and want to treat yourself to something fancy, go for it. Just find that golden balance between blowing cash and hoarding it like a dragon. And life's gonna taste pretty sweet. Catch you in the next one. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.